I'm gonna run over here and talk about this. This is Katie's truck, and it's not done yet, so I'm not gonna do an entire overview because that wouldn't be fair. But this thing's ginormous. It's a purple lift. It looks pretty indigo here. Beautiful, beautiful. She's got the steps. I haven't met Katie yet, but this thing's dope. We just got back from the gym and getting food, and okay, excuse me.
Somebody stabbed your tire? Who pissed you off?
Who did I piss off?
Oh, yeah, wrong one.
Just kidding. We already knew it was flattened, but I've decided to tell you guys now. As you can see,
There was a nail.
there was a nail or something.
It did a bad job at being a nail and staying where it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
It's more problematic when they don't stay.
This is my dilemma, and I needed to drive this tomorrow, so
We'll figure it out.
we're gonna fix it. Is Savannah leaving? Goodbye. Love you. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So this is it in the daylight, and this also happened. So naturally, I'm taking them all off because you guys really don't even like them anyways, and I don't care that much. So that's being fixed tomorrow, and we're taking these off today. Okay, so we had a dilemma with those, but Gabe's grandpa helped me with this because Gabe is not here. Wow. Beautiful. Obviously, that goes to that, and then this will go to that, but I'm going to take all of those out of all of these, so don't have to go back and forth. Makes sense? Makes sense. Lovely. I can't find it. So, that's just fantastic. Also, I can't get this one out. I don't even know how we got it in the first place. You know, I'm trying to do this with one hand, so don't judge me. You know what? Beautiful. I forgot about that. Well, this came off. Okay, I kind of just ripped that one out. And I got one left right there and there on this side, and this one should come off. And this side's even worse. Alright, ladies and gents. Let's get her started up so we can take the front ones off. Also, I thought I'd let you guys know that Gabe's grandpa fixed my tire while we were gone. With, doesn't look like it's on. Is that it? Yeah, with that. So, should be good for now. Oh no. Hopefully my keys are inside. Got them. Perfect. Oh, it's so cold. Maybe not to a lot of you, but Really anything under 60 is cold to me. And this hasn't been started in a few days. Beautiful. What you good girl? Hi, you're so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so that's warming up. And I'm gonna pull it in here and get started.
Too big.
Now we're taking the front ones off. We're trying to find the size. Okay, so I went to go put my warm coat on and Gabe got these off. Ugly. Now we have to figure out how to get this stuff off.
And also a heat gun.
Yeah.
We're gonna.
Okay, so obviously we didn't feel like standing outside with a hair dryer to get all of this off and on the other side. So I am here to get a thingamajigger. Yay! Now we don't have to waste time. All right, so fenders are off and looks a lot better. I can't really zoom in because I'm on the front camera, but thanks for watching. let me know how you feel about it. I know most of you hated the fenders. Yeah, we kind of just put them on for a video idea, and then they stayed, and they're gone now, so it doesn't matter. I'll see you guys in the next one. Weep weep.